George Island. There's your big sign.
On St. George Island, we're getting ready to check out the lighthouse. Exploring it with my dad. Look at how thin these houses are on St. George Island. That is crazy. And it costs about $10 to visit the lighthouse.
That table's the only thing that survived the lighthouse when it fell over. Hey, there's a thing at the
Construction.
every day.
I like this kind of stuff. I got my ticket to go up and view it.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3,
Tons of
grow hard,
videos.
ride with the sun. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up.
Look at this Cerro inspired cases. Walking up to the top. They said it's 92 steps up to the top. And then there's a small ladder you climb. You climb the 92 steps. Then there's a ladder you gotta climb to the very top. It's a cool window. Say I'm about halfway. There's a clearance, 5 foot 4 inches. Thank God I'm only 5 foot. He said don't run. Here's the top. Then we have to climb the ladder. Let's record me climbing. It's already gone. We made it up to the top of the lighthouse. It's pretty hot up here. Welcome to St. George Island. This is the lighthouse from the very tip top. Wasn't super bad, 92 steps. Awesome. Got a whole panoramic view. The shoreline. Got the water tower. Only 92 steps. And at the top, once we got down, they gave us this cool little sticker. I thought it was pretty cool. Again, this was me exploring St. George Island Lighthouse. Hit the subscribe and like for more.